Hello friends, welcome to Study Steno. Today I am going to dictate you a legal dictation. The speed of this dictation is 80 words per minute. So get ready students. Start. In the present case, we find that the initial burden on the appellants itself has not been discharged in the sense that the petitions filed before the High Court were very sketchy. Full stop. A challenge of this nature requires the appellants to furnish greater details before the state could be called upon to submit quantifiable and measurable data justifying the impugned rate. Full stop. Ultimately, it is the state which has to meet the allegations made in the writ petitions, and if those allegations made in the writ petitions are vague, inaccurate or insufficient, then it would not be possible for the state to submit its reply oblique data to the court. Full stop. Para. One more aspect in these cases also needs to be mentioned. Full stop. It has been argued before us that the tax in question is a compensatory tax. Full stop. Certain judgments of this court are also relied upon in this regard, the latest being the judgment in the case of Jindal Stainless Limited and another versus State of Haryana and others 2006 7 SCC 241. Full stop. Para. In our view, this repeated increase in the rate of tax, particularly the incidence of which is more on the contract carriage vis-a-vis stage carriage, raises caution of public importance. Full stop. Para. At the same time, the state can certainly rely upon the data available to show cross subsidization, if it so exists in a given case, by which stage carriage gets subsidized in public interest. Full stop. Para. Keeping in mind the gamut of the dispute involved, we are of the view that we cannot interfere with the impugned judgment of the High Court, particularly when the pleadings at the initial stage were insufficient. Full stop. Para. Realizing this difficulty, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellants fairly stated that he would seek permission of this court to withdraw the civil appeals oblique special leave petitions with liberty to file proper writ petition in the High Court giving requisite details and available data. Full stop. Normally, we would not have granted such permission. Full stop. However, as stated above, questions of public importance arises in these matters, particularly in the context of the principles of proportionality under Article 14 of the Constitution and the later development of law as indicated by this court in the case of Jindal Stainless Steel Limited within bracket Sopra full stop. Para in the circumstances, comma, we permit the appellants herein to withdraw the civil appeals with liberty to file proper writ petition, comma, if so advised, full stop. We make it clear that we do not find any infirmity in the impugned judgment of the High Court, which is based on the petition originally filed by the petitioners. Full stop. Subject to above, comma, civil appeals stand dismissed with no order as to costs. Full stop. We make it clear that if a proper writ petition is filed giving requisite data to the satisfaction of the High Court, comma, then any observation made in the impugned judgment will not come in the way of appellants. Full stop. All contentions of both sides are expressly kept open. Full stop. Para. Similar order was passed in a group of cases, that is Tamil Nadu Omnibus Owners Association versus State of Tamil Nadu, and another bracket, that is Civil Appeal number 1177 of 2006, etc., disposed of on 28/11/2007, bracket closed, full stop. Para. Subject to the above, the civil appeals are dismissed with no orders as to cost. फुल स्टॉप. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और लाइक करें. थैंक यू.